And so, my dear brothers and sisters, like Jesus, let us constantly remind ourselves that in everything that we do, let Christ shine in us. That people can see and feel the presence of God through us. Na maramdaman ng tao dahil sa ating mga actions, sa ating mga salita, na buhay ang Diyos. We bring people closer to God, not to ourselves, especially to our family, to our parents, to the families. We bring our children not closer, so much closer to us, but especially to God. We are called to be mediators, to bring Jesus to others, and to bring others to Jesus. We bring others to the Lord, and bring the Lord to others by the lives we live.